Come view this lovely home just seconds from Wurzbach Parkway, centrally located in the beautiful gated community of the Park Vista Del Norte. The neighborhood's fantastic location allows for easy access to I-10 and Highway 281, and also has direct access to 3 major parks. This 3-bedroom 2-bath has all the comforts of home with a spacious open floor plan, large living room with wood-burning fireplace, oversized master bedroom, custom master bath and walk-in closet, chef's kitchen, a new roof, and a new AC. The home is also located within walking distance of Walker Ranch Park, Salado Creek Greenway, and Hardberger Park, allowing you to get out and enjoy the great outdoors. Exploring over 20 miles of bike paths and trails at your leisure. Your new home is waiting for you to move in and start making memories to last a lifetime. So call today and don't miss your opportunity to own one of San Antonio's prime real estate properties. Call Taylor Dickerson, the House Hawk, at 210-899-HAWK. That is 210-899-4295. And don't forget to visit www.thehousehawk.com for more information, and sign up to receive special promotions on unlisted real estate properties. Whether you are looking to buy or sell your home, let San Antonio's #1 real estate agent help you get the very best deal as quick as possible. The House Hawk services are always free for buyers, and the lowest flat rate for sellers around. Call 210-899